ilabas mo pa. Ikaw din, ilabas mo. Ayan. Ikaw kaya ilabas mo pa. Todo mo pa. Galing ka. Galing ka. Tingin ka. Thank you for joining, ate. Ayan. Thank you for joining. Sabi ko, labas nila. Ate naman kasi.
Labas nila, di ba? Labas. Ama. Ihaba nila. Ihaba mo nila.
Pwede nyo.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Teka lang ha. Balikan na natin ito. Pag-stop na music, hawakin lang na. Wala, joke lang yan. Buhatin ng mga party ng pagkasal. 1, mabilis! 2, 3! Sige na nga. Tama na. Ngayon, sasayaw naman yung ating special guest na si Barney. Gusto ko lahat kayo. Makaupo lang kasi baka mamaya tamaan niya kayo. Ha? Pwede kayo sumabay, pero dyan lang kayo sa pwesto nyo. Wow! Palakpakan na naman si Barney! Ang di po malakpak, di kakain! Ang galing nila. Pag sinabi hindi kakain, papalakpak ka. Talaga to sito, no? Di inaalala yun eh. Huwag tuwa si Barney sa bundok ni Barney, oh. Yan, kamakagpalan sa ulan. Wow! Hoy!
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Tapos na agad eh! Palakpakan niyo si Barney eh! Palakpakan niyo naman yung Barney natin!
Oppan Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style.
Okay, ganito ha. Sino gusto mag-magic? Taas yung kamay! Yun! Sino gusto kumain? Taas yung kamay! O yung mga kakain, kumain na kayo mga mag-magic dito kayo mamaya sa ulang mag-magic kayo ha. Kayo kayo lang mag-magic. O yung mga kakain, sige, dyan na lang ako. Bahan talaga na lang kayo pagkain ha. Joke lang. Joke lang yun. Ganito ha. Sabi kasi ni Daddy, kain muna daw kayo. Tapos, huwag kayong aalis kasi pagkatapos nyo kumain, makakapanood kayo sa amin ng Funny Magic, Funny Acrobat, and Funny Face. Joke lang. O, funny, maraming funny, basta funny. Okay, ha? O, palakpakan nyo naman ulit si Barney. Okay? Magbabay na kayo sa kanya. Bye-bye. Pasok mo na. Papakita ka muna, Barney, ha? tatlong rules ako. Makinig ha. Kailangan susundin niyo to kasi pag hindi niyo to sinunod, hihinto namin yung pagmamagic namin. Okay, unang rules namin, walang ko-kontra. Ayan, walang batang ko-kontra kasi pag kumontra kayo, hindi na namin itutuloy yung pagmamagic namin. Okay ba yan ha? Pag kumontra kayo ha? And then yung pangalawa, ayaw namin ng mga batang palakad-lakad dito sa unahan kasi baka mamaya matulad kayo dun sa insidente nangyari sa amin na nakaraang linggo, tinamaan siya ng isang magic namin yung bakal yung biglang gumaganon yung mahabang mahaba, tinamaan siya sa ulo kaya ayun, butas yung paa. Ayan na. Tapos yung pangatlo, ito napakadali lang nito mga kids. Ayan ha, walang lalapit na bata dito sa amin habang nagmamagic. Ang galing. Walang batang malapit sa amin habang nagmamagic kami. Okay, lalapit lang kayo kapag tinawag namin kayo. Okay ba? Nagkakaintindihan ba tayo? Sagot ang malakas! Okay, ayan ha. Ganyan ha. Gusto ko ganyang kalakas. Gusto ko ganyang ka-energetic. Okay, kuya, huwag ka dyan. Tatamaan ka namin.
Okay, count 1, 2, 3, yung malakas! 1, 2, 3! Kayo mas malakas! 1, 2, 3! Ilan? Dalawa! Count 1, 2, 3, malakas! 1, 2, 3! Palakpak muna! Asan yung isa? Asan yung isa? Asan yung isa? Asan yung isa? Palakpak, labas mo nga, palakpak! Palakpak muna! Palakpak! Palakpak muna! Oh, sabay-sabay palakpak! Sige, dali lang, diretso. Okay, count 1, 2, 3, malakas! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Malakas, malakas! 1, 2, 3, 4! Oh, palakpak muna, syempre. Pasok, guys. Ang tawag sa hawak ko! Guys! Ilang guys? Palakpak muna! Okay, count 2, 3, malakas! Okay, palakpak muna! Ayan, count 1, 2, 3, malakas! Okay, tawag sa hawak ko! Oh, syempre, palakpak muna! Okay. Oh, count 1, 2, 3, malakas! Oh, palakpak muna kasi, syempre. Excuse me, extra ka po. Okay, anong tawag sa hawak ko? Kandila! Kandila ba yan? Ayan. Okay, count 1, 2, 3, malakas! 1, 2, 3! Hoy! Hoy! Wala eh! Ayaw eh! Okay, isa pa! Count 1, 2, 3, malakas! 1, 2, 3! Isa pa yung mas malakas! 1, 2, 3! Wow! Oh, parang tatlong bola. Anong bola to? Bola ng ano? Oo, bola ng baseball to. Oh, galing. Okay, count 1, 2, 3, malakas! Music. Isa pa yung mas malakas! Bola. Sa Ramon. Agawan. Hoy! Oh, siyempre yung palakpak ko mas kaya. Hoy, oh. Oh, siyempre ang palakpak ko mas kaya. Ano ba yan? Siyempre, joke lang yun. Pamalakpakan niyo naman siya! Okay na lang, ha? Wala kayong gusto niyo, sir? Basa na kasi, sir. Hindi mo kaya makapa. Basa. Bigat siya, basa. Malakpak muna. Kaya, masaya. Oy, oy, talaga. Malakpak muna.
So rare to find a friend like you. Somehow when you're around, the sky is always blue. The way we talk, the things you say, the way you make it all okay. And how you know all of my jokes, but you laugh anyway. If I could wish for one thing, I'd take the smile that you bring. Wherever you go in this world, I'll come along. Together we dream the same dream. Forever I'm here for you, you're here for me. Oh, oh, oh. Two voices, one song. La 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 la. La 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 la. If I could wish for one thing, I'd take the smile that you bring. Wherever you go in this world, I'll come along. Together we dream the same dream. Forever I'm here for you, you're here for me. Oh, oh, oh. Two voices, one song. And anywhere you are, you know I'll be around. And when you call my name, I'll listen for the sound. If I could wish for one thing, I'd take the smile that you bring. Wherever you go.
Tapos may isang palayok pa, marami pa tayong surprise na naghihintay sa loob. O kaya ano, makipag-cooperate kayo kung gusto nyo pang sumali, ha? Okay, kakantahan natin si Ate Wins. Si Wincy na birthday song, yung malakas, malinaw, and sabay-sabay, ha? Okay? Ready na ba kayo? Okay, yung hindi pa, umuwi na. Kaya na? Okay, yung malakas! Oh, sige, malakas. Okay, ha? In the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and sing!
Happy birthday, Wincy!
Louder!
Happy birthday, Wincy! Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you! Okay, samahan niyo naman ang palakpak, ha? Yung palakpak, gusto ko yung ganado, ha? Parang happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! and blow your candle in a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and blow! Sa signal number 1. And okay, all children say happy birthday, Wincy, yung malakas!
Happy birthday, Wincy!
Isa pa yung mas malakas!
Happy birthday, Wincy!
Isa pa yung super duper mega duper lakas!
Happy birthday, Wincy!
Isa pa yung super duper mega duper super duper super duper hina!
Happy birthday, Wincy!
Oo, ang hina. Okay, sige, sir, pwede na po natin ipasok yung cake. Okay, lahat ng children at Pasko. Sige ha? Pwede na natin ipasok yung cake, sir. Ay, sir, pwede mo ba kayo? Ayan. Lahat ng gusto pong magpa-picture. Teka lang, Barney. Lahat po ng gusto pong magpa-picture, pwede na po magpa-picture sa kanya. Ayan. Lahat po na pwede magpa-picture. Siyempre, before kayo magpa-picture, para medyo maluwag tayo, may pag-games pa ako sa inyo. Lahat ng mga upuan, pagpatong-patong ninyo. Siyempre, kung sino pinakamataas, winner na agad dyan. Go! Ito kaya sa GMA Kapamilya, kaya GMA Kapuso. Oh yeah! Waki! Okay, ayan ha. Isa pa po, isa pa. Apat. O, baba kayo, baba. 5, 6. Sige, tayo dito ko yan. O sige, atras muna kayo dyan. Antayin niyo lang daw. Sabi ni ate, nagagalit na rin.
That's right. We sign our cards and letters BFF. You've got a million ways to make me laugh. Yeah, you're looking out for me. You got my back. It's so good to have you around. has those days. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody gets that way. That's right. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody gets that way. Sometimes I'm in a jam. I've gotta make a plan. It might be crazy. I do it anyway. No way to know for sure. I figure out a cure. I'm patching up the holes, but then it overflows. If I'm not doing too well, why be so hard on myself? Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it again and again till I get it right. Nobody's perfect. You're living, you're learning. And if I mess it up sometime, hey, nobody's perfect. Sometimes I work a scheme, but then it flips on me. Doesn't turn out how I plan. Get stuck in quicksand, but no problem can't be solved. Once I get involved, I try to be delicate, then crash right into it. But my intentions are good. Yeah. Sometimes just misunderstood. Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it again and again till I get it right. Nobody's perfect. You're living, you're learning. And if I mess it up sometimes, nobody's perfect. I gotta work it. I know it's time I'll find the way. Nobody's perfect. Sometimes I fix things up.
There's a calm surrender to the rush of steam when the heat of the rolling wind can be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this twilight walking wild, the ring on this wall. And can you feel the love tonight? I was led to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. There's a time for everyone if they only learn that the twist and kaleidoscope moves us all in turn. There's a rhyme and reason to the wild outdoors when the heart starts rough voyager beats in time with yours.
I've always been the kind of girl that hid my face, so afraid to tell the world what I've got to say. But I have this dream right inside of me. I'm gonna let it show. It's time to let you know. To let you know. This is real.